Now this is the passenger side uh, fender, or inside the fender, and again it looks good too. There's nothing rotten or rusted through. It's all in very good shape. Not a whole lot of work to do here, except our cowls, which are in really bad shape. We're gonna have to try to fix them a little. I'm sure they've been worked on before, but they didn't do a quality job, so we're gonna have to do a lot of resanding and repair. Suspension looks good. I'm still gonna have to try to change those bushings and old rubber, and I'm gonna do some pressure washing on it and spray some of that undercoating. I removed these two bars, and it does need a cleanup, but other than that, it's a very good car, and I'm not gonna regret doing this.